Hey guys, welcome to the athletic training seminar course, which is going to focus on some BOC review. I know this has kind of been a last minute ad, but we wanted to provide you guys a resource this semester to review some of the topics that maybe you haven't looked over or had in the last couple of semesters. Me, Jenny, Taylor, and Justin will be working together to get you guys as much quiz review and then hopefully host some content review sessions during what will be open labs or a time that we all agree on to be appropriate. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit, let me make this big, of what the Blackboard site looks like, and you can always email me or ask me if you have any questions or if you'd like more content. Here you can see I've written a syllabus for each phase of students. So we have a few students taking it in January, February. So you have a bit different timeline. Obviously you have to take a lot of the quizzes a lot sooner, but I think you can do it. Quizzes are hopefully going to be between 20 and 25 questions, and they're separated out by domain. So as we get that content up there, you can take the quizzes as many times as you'd like. If something limits you from taking it more than once or seeing any of the answers, please let us know and we'll change that. But I am asking you guys to take 3 quizzes from each domain, so that's going to be a total of 15 quizzes. And then for the ones taking it in January, February, you're going to be attending at least one session, and we can make that tailored to you since you're taking the session sooner or taking the test sooner. We'll have one in-person session to just talk about how to take the test and any content you want to go over. And then I'm asking you guys to complete a final or a post-test reflection / discussion. I'd like you guys to come in and talk with the other students about what went well, what didn't go well, how you feel your preparation matched the actual test. And obviously this has to fall under the confidentiality agreement that you make with the BOC, so we can't talk about actual content or what questions you had, what areas they focused on, but you can talk about how your preparation matched. So January, February test takers, you can kind of see there, and you can open and look at the syllabi for more information. So you'll be done with the course fairly fast, hopefully before spring break if you're taking it in February. Now with the March, April test takers, you have a similar outline, same amount of quizzes to be taken. Obviously, you have more time to complete them. We'd like you to attend. We're going to have 2 sessions, so we'll do one before the February, and then we'll do a second one before individuals taking the March, April to review maybe more content. We can hear from the January, February test takers about how well it went. And have an open discussion there. And then you also will have a post-test reflection due, and this can be geared towards other people that may be taking it in May or June or later this year or even next year for some of our 3rd years. But you'll have a written reflection due, and that assignment description will go up as they see appropriate. And then finally, the students who may not be taking it this semester or taking it in May or June will complete a very similar format to March and April. You just have to get it done before the end of the semester, and that will be completely on your time. I do want you to attend 2 sessions to intermix and have a robust group of people discussing what needs to be done for the test and what content you want to focus on. So some of those plans will come as we go, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Please let Taylor, Justin, Jenny know, and we'll do our best to answer them for you. Finally, I just want to show you kind of the content section. So when you go here, you will have domains. Specifically domain 1, we'll go over some prevention and so on and so forth. So these tests are about 20 to 25 questions, mixed of multiple choice. There's some true false. We tried to really mix it in, maybe a few fill in the blank, but as you click on each, there should be some available tests and we will be constantly working on adding those in, getting whatever and however much we can into you guys so that you have some review time and can look up. And if you have any questions about sources of the questions or where we got it, please come talk to us. But hopefully we can provide you with a few resources to review content out of. So if you have any more questions, please let me know. Please come talk to me, shoot me an email, text, whatever you need to do. And we hope you can really use this course as a resource. Thank you so much.